Welcome to Hot Dog Heaven, your kitchen, your rules. Forget those sad, soggy supermarket hot dogs. It's time to take control and create your own hot dog masterpieces at home. It's easier than you think. Plus, you get to choose exactly what goes into your dog and how you cook it. No more mystery meat surprises. Homemade hot dogs are a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Want a classic New York-style dog with just mustard and sauerkraut? Go for it. Feeling adventurous? Pile on chili, cheese, and jalapenos. The possibilities are endless and the power is in your hands. So ditch the drive-thru and fire up your grill. Get ready to discover the joy of crafting mouth-watering hot dogs in the comfort of your own kitchen. Trust me, once you go homemade, you'll never go back. Let's talk cooking methods. Each brings out different nuances in your hot dog, so choose your adventure. Boiling is the classic approach. Bring a pot of water to a simmer. Don't you dare boil those dogs. Gently add your franks. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until heated through. Easy peasy. Grilling is where it's at for that smoky, charred flavor. Preheat your grill to medium heat. Grill those dogs for 6 to 8 minutes, turning occasionally until they're beautifully browned and slightly crispy. Pan frying is perfect for a quick and delicious dog. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Cook the hot dogs for about 5 minutes, turning frequently until they're heated through and slightly caramelized. Experiment and find your favorite method, or try all three and become a true hot dog aficionado. Remember, the key is to cook them through without drying them out. Don't underestimate the power of a good bun. It's the unsung hero of the hot dog experience. Choose wisely, my friends. Soft, fluffy buns are the classic choice. They provide the perfect cushion for your juicy hot dog and all its toppings. Toast them lightly for a touch of warmth and a hint of crunch. For a heartier option, go for crusty rolls. They'll hold up better to heavier toppings and add a satisfying chew. Slice them open and give them a quick toast for added flavor and texture. Whichever bun you choose, make sure to toast it properly. A cold, untoasted bun is a culinary sin. Toasting adds flavor, warmth, and a touch of crunch that elevates the entire hot dog experience. Section 4. Dress to impress. Condiments and toppings galore. Now for the fun part, dressing your dog. Let your imagination run wild. The only limit is your taste buds. Classics are classic for a reason. Mustard, ketchup, relish, onions, they never disappoint. Keep it simple or get creative with different types of mustard and relish. Cheese, please. Cheddar, American pepper jack, melted on top for a gooey, cheesy delight. Crumbled bacon adds a smoky, salty crunch that takes your hot dog to the next level. Don't be afraid to think outside the bun. Grilled peppers and onions add a touch of sweetness and smokiness. Sauerkraut brings a tangy crunch that cuts through the richness of the meat. Get adventurous with pickled jalapenos, crispy fried onions, or even a fried egg. Section 5. Building your dream dog. A flavorful symphony. Creating the perfect hot dog is like composing a symphony of flavors. Start with your base, the dog, and the bun. Then layer in your chosen condiments and toppings, considering the balance of flavors and textures. Want a classic Chicago-style experience? Start with a poppy seed bun. Add a juicy all-beef frank. Pile on yellow mustard, chopped white onions, bright green sweet pickle relish, a dill pickle spear, tomato wedges or slices, pickled sport peppers, and a dash of celery salt. Hold the ketchup. Feeling adventurous? Go for a spicy Southwestern-inspired creation. Choose a crusty roll. Top it with a chorizo dog, grilled onions and peppers, melted pepper jack cheese, pickled jalapenos, and a dollop of guacamole. The possibilities are truly endless. Experiment with different combinations until you find your signature hot dog masterpiece. Remember, there are no rules in the kitchen except for maybe toasting your buns. Section 6. Unleash your inner chef. Hot dog bliss awaits. So there you have it, folks. The secrets to crafting the perfect hot dog at home. It's easier than you think and the possibilities are endless. So ditch the drive-thru and unleash your inner chef. Gather your ingredients, fire up your grill or stovetop, and get ready for a culinary adventure. Experiment with different cooking methods, buns, toppings, and flavor combinations. Don't be afraid to get creative. Most importantly, have fun. Making hot dogs at home is all about enjoying the process and creating something delicious and uniquely yours. So go forth and conquer the art of the hot dog.